everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today is an exciting day because we're unboxing and reviewing the HP Stream laptop, packed with impressive features to elevate your computing experience. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our tech reviews. Now, let's get started. Introducing the HP Stream laptop, a sleek and powerful device designed to meet the demands of your digital lifestyle. With its 14-inch HD display, every detail comes to life, providing a stunning visual experience for work and entertainment. Under the hood, the Intel Celeron N4120 processor ensures smooth multitasking and responsiveness. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming videos, or working on creative projects. Let's talk memory and storage. The HP Stream laptop boasts an impressive 16 GB of memory, ensuring that you can run multiple applications simultaneously without any lag. And with 320 GB of storage, including 64 GB eMMC and an additional 256 GB card, you'll have ample space for all your files, photos, and videos. But that's not all. The HP Stream laptop comes with a 1-year Office 365 subscription, providing you with essential tools for productivity. Whether you're a student or a professional, having access to the latest Office apps is a game-changer. Connectivity is key, and the HP Stream laptop delivers. Equipped with a webcam, HDMI, Wi-Fi, and USB-C ports, you can stay connected with ease. The inclusion of Windows 11 Home ensures a user-friendly interface and compatibility with the latest software. And can we talk about the sleek white design? The HP Stream laptop not only performs exceptionally well, but also looks good doing it. It's lightweight, portable, and the perfect companion for those always on the go. Now, let's put this laptop to the test. We'll run some performance benchmarks, load up some applications, and see how it handles everyday tasks. Spoiler alert, it's impressive. And there you have it, our comprehensive review of the HP Stream laptop. If you're in the market for a reliable, budget-friendly laptop with all the essential features, this might just be the one for you. Don't forget to leave a comment sharing your thoughts. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.